Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you if what's best for you. Is it Google Keep or Google Task? So now, Google Task versus Google Keep, how they're different. It's clear how Google Task and Google Keep are similar. Both apps are there to help you to create an organized task. Plus, both apps are available to use on the same number of platforms. Okay? At the same time, the difference between Google Keep and Google Task are interchangeable. So if you want to compare the two, you just have to, watch this video tutorial until the end. Okay, now for the interface and app design, the most significant difference between the two apps is their interface. In short, if you prefer minimalistic app design, choose Task. On the other hand, if you prefer more detail and extra features in your apps, then you like Keep. Okay, Google Task is intuitive and you'll have no trouble navigating the app. Even if you never used it before, the app's design won't distract you from the main goal, creating more tasks, creating new tasks, subtasking, and organizing things. Okay, now for the Google Keep offers a more complex structure. The post-it board format gives you the freedom to organize it more creatively. Keep is excellent for those who prefer adding more color and visuals to their to-do list. In short, Google Tasks is more straightforward and task oriented, while Google Keep is better for adding notes and media elements to your to do list. Now, for the type of reminders, one big difference between Google Keep and Google Tasks is in their way each app handles task reminders. But Google Keep and Google Tasks allows you to create reminders for your task. However, Google Keep is somewhat limited in the type of reminders you can make. But Google Task is the opposite. You can only create a reminder for an individual task and not for the whole list. Okay, some users might say that Google Keeps is a little ahead of task on this one, and it also allows you to create time and location based reminders. Now for the Google Apps integration, both Google Keep and Google Task are available across all Google platforms. You can use both apps in Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, and etc. However, you'll notice that Google Task works better paired with Gmail, and Google Keep offers better integration with Google Docs. If you're an active Gmail user, you'll probably learn to work Google Tasks. You can create tasks and lists directly from Gmail using Google Tasks and drag and drop email right into your new task items. Okay, instead of Google Keep is a better fit for anyone who spends a lot of time working in Google Documents. You can drag and drop down your notes from your Google Keep right into your documents into Google Documents. Now for the collaboration options. When choosing between the two apps, you need to ask yourself who will use your task list. If just you, and Google Tasks is more than enough. However, if you're also looking to share your tasks and notes, then you'll be better off using Google Keep. Okay, to share your Google Keep card, located on the Google Task board and select the collaborator icon at the bottom of it. Okay. But Google Task, doesn't offer any collaboration. So now it's up to you if what kind of apps do you want to use. So don't forget to subscribe for more informative video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.